testing an IDS using tools like lockpicks or tools of the trade. HPing is what we call a packet crafting tool. Despite its name, it's a lot more than just ping. It will actually allow you to create a signature and throw it out onto the wire. In the following example, we've used a HPing command with the -S and the -F to, those are capital S and F, to turn on both the SYN and the FIN flag simultaneously. Now that would never occur in real life. That is actually a violation of the protocol. So this is a malformed packet. It's something that would never exist in real life. But because we have HPing, we can create it because it's a packet crafting tool. So we send that out, and if you see the TCP dump output, this is a command line sniffer output, we can see there that SF after the second address there shows that both flags are on. So it did indeed create that. Well, that's one way to test an IDS. Okay, another tool we can use to test IDSs are tools like Snort. Snort takes a Snort rule set and creates packets to trip alerts. Basically, it creates all of those packets that will cause the IDS to create alerts, and will flood it with it. It doesn't generate a three-way handshake. It spoofs packets. It will use UDP packets, and it will fill up the database with 600,000 or more alerts in just a few minutes. Well, once that has saturated the IDS is, for all intents and purposes, fairly useless unless you've got some very, very good analytical tools. Countered in Snort with the Z flag, which only alerts on established connections. So Snort does have a way of sort of mitigating this, but it only works with established connections. That means post three-way handshake. Now, of course, there are some attacks that occur before this, and so this is a sort of catch-22. You can either turn it on and protect yourself from the Snort, or you can leave it off and make sure you catch a lot more attacks.